Well, I did it. This is it. This is it. Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. And today is day 25 of the 25 days of Craftmas. First off, Merry Christmas. Second off, I made it. I made it. Also, we made it. All of your comments have been so supportive and so nice, and it has motivated me to keep editing and to keep going and to make it to day 25. This has been quite the challenge. And I have to say I do know what today's DIY is because, you know, process of elimination. But you know what? I'm still gonna open bag 25 and find out what the heck I'm making today. Let's find out what I'm making in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh guys, super shocked. I'm making a dress form Christmas tree. Yes, I did do this DIY last year, but I added it to the list because I loved it so much last year. I couldn't imagine not doing it this year. And also, I'm gonna try to make it look really different than what I did last year. So with all of that being said, I'm actually gonna spend a few minutes figuring out how I wanna make it look different, and then we can get started. Okay guys, let's do this thing. This is Wanda, from those of you that are new here. Where the name Wanda came from, I have no idea, but we go way back, like 15 years. She's been with me through everything, and she's still here. She is still here. Last year around for my dress form Christmas tree, I did kind of just like a classic ball gown look with a nice strapless bodice and a floor length skirt. This time around, I am going for a kind of like 50s silhouette, kind of. Well, we're gonna try to go for a 50s silhouette. So I'm gonna be using this black checkered fabric for the bodice. I'm gonna give it a nice halter top, and then we're gonna do a short skirt this year. That's kind of the look I'm going for and how I'm gonna make it look different. So the first step up is getting this fabric draped and pinned in the shape of a bodice. And also I have a ton of this fabric and I don't wanna cut it. So I think I'm just gonna kind of like fold this in half and pin it up. And if I have to like pin up the extra fabric, I will. So let's get this pinned and then we can go from there. Okay, I didn't do this last year, but I'm just taking some embroidery thread because I want this to pleat and ruche in to make a nice bodice shape. And I'm just gonna use some embroidery thread. Last year I used safety pins, but this fabric is just really thick. Okay, now I have to determine what I want the halter strap to be made out of. I've got this green like chiffon fabric that was actually what I used for the bodice last year, which I think I can kind of cut this and make it look nice. Or I've got this white ribbon. It's kind of like meshy, so I'm not sure. Okay, I think I like the green as the belt and I'll make this ribbon work. Luckily, Wanda, you're not real, so this itchy ribbon isn't gonna bother you. Okay, Wanda is looking decent. This was much harder to work with than the like light, cute little chiffon fabric I worked with last year. Because also this fabric is really thick and it's doubled up and like folded. So the back doesn't look the nicest, but it'll do. It'll do. In the end, it'll be fine. So now comes my least favorite part of making this whole thing, and that is getting some chicken wire wrapped around here. Luckily, this time around, I'm going for a shorter skirt, so I don't have to like get it doubled up. So I think I'm just gonna do my best to wrap this around just like that. That'll stay, right? The hardest part is over. Getting this wrapped around nicely and like hugging into the waist is so hard. I ended up just doing this belt thing with some cotton cording, just wrapping it around a bunch until it was nice and tight. Also, I went ahead and wrapped the lights around this chicken wire before I start putting the branches on. So now this is like the fun part of making this, which is taking all of these branches and just starting to fill in this skirt with these branches. And these are just branches I actually got from my yard, but you can also go to any place that sells Christmas trees, and they usually have a box of Christmas tree clippings that you can pull from for free. And also I use zip ties to attach all of the branches. So I'm gonna get to filling in this skirt, and this dress form Christmas tree is almost done. Guys, I kind of forgot how quick and easy it is to pop this dress form Christmas tree together. The final thing that I'm going to do is take this green chiffon fabric, get it tied around the waist to make a nice belt, and also get all of this covered up. I'm also thinking of cutting this in half and switching out this white like mesh ribbon for the green chiffon fabric, just to kind of make it feel a little bit more cohesive. But I'm gonna play around, and then once that's all done, I can get the lights plugged in, and that will complete day 25 of the 25 days of Craftmas. And that is it, guys. 25 days, 25 DIYs, and 25 videos. I don't even know what to say. This random idea I had last Christmas for this crazy thing called Craftmas is now done. This has been a huge challenge, but also so creatively motivating, and I've absolutely loved getting the pictures from you guys of your versions of these DIYs. That has meant more to me than you know. So with all of that being said, thank you for all of the love and support through this crazy adventure, and I'll see you in 2024 for some more DIYs. Bye, guys.